Well, I guess that's it for today. I got back on here because I found out my QR code was not working anymore. The one I put on my profile that tells everybody where my website is, while I'll be gone until May 1st. Yeah, I'm getting off this fucking social media shit. It's just fucking up my mentality, man. They are dishing me Epstein files about what people are seeing in the Epstein files. All this different propaganda and bullshit that they're feeding me over and over and over to fuck with my head. So I made a website that exposes all that, how Donald Trump has become Jewish and he is America's first Jewish president, but there's nothing we can do, even if all this shit is fucking correct, even if everything is messed up. I mean, we can't even tune away from social media for a month. Look at me. I said, I'm going to get on there for all month. And here I am on here again because I found out that they're trying to fucking hide my message. Of course they're doing it. Because my message is fuck them, Fuck the government because they're a bunch of sexist fucking pedophiles that like to fuck with little kids and supposedly drink blood and all kinds of shit. So yeah, until May 1st, I'm going to be out of this shit because I don't want to hear what's going down. I really do believe around April 15th, fucking the World War III is going to pop off and everybody's just going to be fucking killing each other. And I want to be on the good side of things. I don't want people wanting to kill me.
Slow in the checkout line, slow at the traffic light. Eyes on a tiny world while they redraw out at night. They count every heartbeat click, sell us our own blue sky, arguing common wars while bills crawl quietly by. Log out to tune in, hit that red X, let the noise go thin. If we all go quiet, they'll feel the spin. Log out, we talk in the streets, that's where we begin. Trends like a fishing net, hashtag books and our tea. They feed us a half-truth meal, what's on the sheet. Neighbors we never met, live 10 doors down the block. But we know strangers love more than our town hall clock. Log out to tune in, hit that red X, let the noise go thin. If we all go quiet, they'll feel the spin. Log out, we talk in the streets, that's where we begin. Power's not pixels, power's our feet on the ground. If every screen goes dark tonight, they'll hear a different sound. Log out to tune in, hit that red X, let the noise go thin. If we all go quiet, they'll feel the spin. Log out, we talk in the streets, that's where we begin. One day, one plan, no life, just hands. Log out, show up, make demands.
See you May 1st.